Hey, Paul Catcher, 423buyland.com. I am so excited. My house is coming along really nice. This house build, we got the deck on, we got the front wrapped. Tomorrow, gonna do the roof. I just wanted to show all of you. This is just a quick hit where we've come so far, guys. I'm pumped. I'm excited. I got the best guys in the world. I don't care what anybody says. These guys are the best. 3 guys did this. All right. We have the boss, we have the sons, and they have the deck on, they have the front wrapped. It looks amazing. And tomorrow they're going to run the shingles and start the siding, put the windows in tomorrow. That is so very cool. ¿Cómo estás, Milton? Bien, bien. Wow. Very good, amigo. Very good. Very good. Gracias por todo. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Wow, this looks great. Absolutely fantastic. Wow, just walking to the edge here. Never thought I'd see it done. Wow. That's cool. That is nice. Oh, they got one window in. There you go. There you go. You know, when you see the windows go in, it really adds so much to it. Look at this. There's the bathroom window, the living room window. Man, that is so cool. So very cool. Oh, wow. They got these other windows in too. Very neat. Oh, they got, as a matter of fact, they got all the windows in. Holy cow. I didn't realize it. They got the windows in already. Anyway, Paul Catcher. Thank you for watching my YouTube videos. This is a short one. We got a big day happening tomorrow with the roof and everything. And I'm going to get back with you. Good luck. Take care with everything that you do. Feel free to ask me any questions that you want. And unlike most YouTube channel guys like me, I'm not going to beg you to subscribe to my channel. I don't care if you subscribe to my channel. I hate that. Oh, click the bell icon to subscribe. No, you don't have to. Just go tell your friends about me. Tell them I sell land. Help me make some money to feed my family. So anyway, I hope you enjoy all these videos that I'm doing. I sure am. Good luck on everything you do. Take care. Bye-bye. Right now I'm walking with my beautiful compatriot, my lifelong... Don't hide from the camera. Don't hide. Hey, yeah. Anyway, Yolette and I are here at section 14. She's somewhere here. Here, let me see. Come on, Yolette. They all want to see you. Anyway, she is actually, she's everything here. So we have a little demonstration today, a little video to upload. All right, well, anyway, right now she's waiting for the makeup crew, and she's the main star of all our videos, naturally. But anyway, stay tuned.